Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Shark Flexstyle, the air styling and drying system. I got this as a gift from my sister and it's really popular right now. Usually I use the Revlon, which there's already a video of on our channel, and I actually really like using the Revlon, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to switch to the Shark. But on Instagram and like TikTok and all that stuff, everybody's using either the Shark or the Dyson, and they say it does a lot less heat damage, so that's why I wanted to try it out. So this is the Shark Flexstyle air styling and drying system. So this is like the first box. This is just the initial like dryer itself, and then it can flip into a styler. So let's open it up. So this is the dryer. How do we flip this? This is what came with the welcome packet. So it's welcome to Shark Beauty. Try these quick tips to get started with the Shark Flexstyle. So this is the styling wand, and you can attach and detach. So to detach, slide the lock down to unlock, okay, and then rotate from styler to dryer. So slide the hinge lock down and then rotate the nozzle left. Okay, got it. All right, cool, that wasn't so bad. And then transform into a hair styler. So let's plug this in. Okay, so it's plugged in, and now I'm going to turn it on. Okay. That's a pretty strong hair dryer. Do that. So my hair, I got a few different attachments, and maybe I'll make some different videos on what the attachments do. But the one that I want to use right now, the most popular one is probably the auto wrap curlers. But I'm not going to do that one right now because my hair isn't wet. So I'm probably going to do that when my hair is like slightly wet, about to dry. But what I want to do right now is the comb one. And it's because this is the most similar, I feel like, to the Revlon, which we already have a video up of. And I really do like how my Revlon results are. So this is what's kind of, like, I want to compare this to the Revlon first. So let's move this back into position. So now, how do I detach this? Okay. I'm gonna put this in as is. It's in. And this is the one, right? So then I can turn it on. It gets pretty hot. There's a few different fan styles. Different powers, heat levels. It doesn't get cold though. Oh, I mean, the no heat means cold. So let's try it out. Okay. Okay, so pardon my hair. I think I like it better straight, so just gonna turn it on. And then put my hair and turn through. Just like how I would do with my Revlon. And I like to do my Revlon kind of like away from my face. So like this. I will say that it grips the hair better. Okay, so that came out a bit straight. I think I would want it a little curlier. So let's try that again. Okay, so now I showed you one. It's coming out like this. I'm just going to go ahead and do my whole head. Okay, so I just finished doing the last bit. And now I would probably comb it out. But again, this was just like the brush portion, so we'll probably do follow-up videos on the rest of it. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see in the comments below. And I'll also link the Revlon video so you can compare it to that one as well. If you like this video, please like the video. Please press the thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, happy to see you and excited to see you again. Bye.